Black Moon Lilith aspect. Unavailable the power of Glen astrology. Black Moon Lilith represent the rave unstatement part of our physique, mirroring them of desire and repressible emotion, often seen as our showdown self. Black Moon Lilith speak to our hidden desire, the unspoken but instant instinct, and the almost irrational and universal energy. When Lilith from aspect with other planet in the natal chart, it infinitely the areas where we experience both personal challenge and have scope for incredible empowerment. Here's a color look at some के ललित aspect and what they reveal. Lalit contact sun. When Lalit is contact the sun is a natal chart, it create vehement strong desire to present yourself in a way the world make you respect yourself with no regard for society at large. This except may bring a rebellious streak where a strict industries a vital part for the natives' personal growth. Those people may view their inspirations as a challenge, and their presentation then become their retention. This aspect can be empowering but may also bring struggle with authority figure or self-experience. You need the person learner to be able to balance their accent without the feeling their tent under the mirrorless world. Lalit contact the moon indicate the darker aspect of your emotional side. This is can intercept and feeling, even bad ones, making emotion raw, restriction and something difficult to control. It brings a heightened institution and a strong sense of self-protection, especially when it comes to emotional vulnerability, which may end up leading to personal Lalit square venues. Lalit square venues create a tension between the desire for love and the disdain for society normal around romance, attraction and beauty. This aspect may indicate conflict in relationship where desire can easily be and misrepresented, often a irrevocable way. Native with his aspect may grapple with issue of self-worth or feel torn between passion and stability. Lalit sextet Mars. When Lalit form a sextile with Mars, it assertivism without coming out too aggressive. This aspect encourages people to channel their desire and ambition with confidence and independence, often in a way that feel bold and universal. Individual with this placement tend to approach life with courageous, fearless attitude, unifier to pursue what they truly want. They can often stand up to themselves and others, using Lalit struggle to advocate for personal freedom and empowerment in areas of work, relationship and self-experience.